Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In this video, we're gonna go for Trader Joe's Greek Spanakopita. It's a spinach and feta cheese pie. Here's the back of the box. Nutrition facts. Somebody's playing drums in my neighborhood. And it's a product of Greece. This is what it looks like pre-bake, and I think it comes pre-cut because I can see the cuts on it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. So in this video we're gonna do Trader Joe's Greek Spanakopita. It's phyllo dough filled with spinach and feta cheese, and there's nothing better to pair it with and some kefir. You gotta have kefir when you have one of these. It just goes like peanut butter and jelly. So 350 for 35 minutes. So it's gonna go into the oven for 350 for 35 minutes, and I'll see you guys back in 35 minutes. Alright, after all that baking, here's what it looks like. Spanakopita. The real thing versus the box. Here's the real thing. Turned out pretty good. It's got some nice color to it. Not bad at all. See if I can get the bottom of it. Ooh, it looks good. Yeah, the bottom looks very nice. Very, very nice. So that's how you know when it's done. If it falls in half, it's not done. When you pick it up from the bottom, that's how you know if it's done or not. Alright, we're gonna slice it up. Alright, so I cut out 2 slices, and this is basically what it looks like from the top and the bottom. This is the side, actually, I'm sorry. Yeah, let me show you the bottom. Here's the bottom of it. Looks very nice and crispy. That's the top. Top, bottom, from the side. Alright, here we go. Spanakopita. Here's the slice. This will be the top. It's from the side. It's from the other side. Bottom. And guys, do me a favor, please like, share, subscribe the video. It helps the channel a lot. Let's do a bite, man. Let's do a first bite. It's still hot. It's good. There's a healthy amount of spinach in here. I'm gonna feel like Popeye after eating this. Feta cheese comes through, and it's really, really flaky, crispy. Very nice. So, if you don't have a Greek grandma to make you one of these, head down to Trader Joe's, get yourself one of these spinach and cheese pies. Really good. Crispy, tasty. really like it. It's 107 outside again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back in and finish all of this. This is 4.5 out of 5. Trader Joe's Greek Spanakopita. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for stopping by, hanging out with me.